Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you are doing well. The topic for today's grammar lesson is pronouns. Let's start the lesson with the most important part, that is learning objectives. Come on and read the learning objectives with me loudly and confidently. Can I identify pronouns in sentences? Can I use pronouns instead of nouns? Now let's figure out what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. There are different kinds of pronouns, but today we will discuss about personal pronouns. Look at this illustration carefully. What is it? It's a school bus. Who is sitting inside the bus? Some children are sitting inside the bus. Who is this man? Yes, he's the bus driver, and his name is Will. Will is a proper noun. Let's read this with me. Will is an expert bus driver. Will drives children to school every day with responsibility. Will is a kind-hearted person. Will loves the children and gives them candies every day. So, we have come to know about Will's personality. Now have a look at this. Instead of repeating Will's name, we are going to use a pronoun instead. Will is an expert bus driver. He drives children to school every day with responsibility. He is a kind-hearted person. He loves the children and gives them candies every day. So, we have replaced a noun with a pronoun. Oh, look at that. We have got so many personal pronouns here. Let's read with me. I, you, they, it, we, you, he, and she. Furthermore, personal pronouns are divided into three main categories: first person, second person, and third person pronoun. Have a look at this. I will tell you about first person pronoun. I have a dog. In this sentence, I is a first person pronoun. Now come to second person pronoun. Read the sentence with me. You are a good singer. In this sentence, you is a second person pronoun. Dear students, you have to sit attentively because at the end of the lesson, I will ask you some questions. Now look at this third person pronoun. He should wake up early in the morning. He is a third person pronoun. Let's read with me. Third person pronouns are he, she, it, and they. My dear students, the words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. You can also come in the telling part of a sentence. Pronouns are furthermore divided into singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Now let's have a look at the singular pronouns. I, he, she, and it are singular pronouns. We and they are plural pronouns. Do you know which type of pronoun is you? You is singular pronoun as well as plural pronoun. Now let's have a look at the uses of it and they. The village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. Did you notice that the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural pronouns? Now let's have a look at this. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. How? I'll tell you. Read this with me. It is an important game. You must play as a team. Did you notice the usage of you here? Now look at another slide. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? Focus on the usage of you. Dear students, the words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. I will tell you the usage of the pronoun him. Let's have a look at this. He is my father. I adore him. Nikki has a pet. It is a dog. They are my grandparents. I help them. Instead of grandparents, them is used. You is used for both singular and plural nouns in any part of a sentence, as I have told you this thing earlier. You are my best friend. I like to play with you. You are my parents. I'm proud of you. Now, get ready for my question. Can you see a table here? Now you are going to fill up the table. You are going to write about singular nouns and about plural pronouns. Yes, you are right. Singular pronouns are I, he, she, and it, while plural pronouns are we and they. And do you know what is you? Yes, very good. We can use you for the singular pronoun and for the plural pronoun as well. Now come to the homework questions. Use pronouns instead of nouns in the given sentences. Number 1, the car broke down. Number 2, Sam saw a snake. Number 3, the girl dressed elegantly for the party. Number 4, Robert and I cycled along the path by the sea. Number 5, Peter's father asked Peter to buy a newspaper. Number 6, and this is the last one, the teacher is teaching the children how to swim. Don't forget to do your homework. See you tomorrow. Goodbye and have a nice day.